If you'd like to participate in that exercise of Earth credits.
Whatever's going on in that boat out there, they don't have a goddamn committee.
There are pens here. You can add some love onto the vessel. There are over 1,000 Earth beings on this vessel now. And if you'd like to dance.
What is this, Griff?
Planet Earth.
What is now's your chance. And if you'd like to lead
It is your sunset, brother.
The you know it well. Through, then now's your chance. Just let it come in. There's no one watching. Because everyone's just you in another form anyway. And who cares? Take out their blood if you lay through it out. That's okay. Can you come out back now?
Nice footage, Griff.
Let's go back. If you have a sip. Now let's have a sip. Of that delicious sea of love. Oh, that's pure consciousness. Hey, I gotta say, every time I stand up here, I feel alright. I gotta say, every day I get up here, I feel alright. But today, I'm back in LA. I'm back in LA. I'm back in LA. You hear me? I'm back in LA. I'm back in LA. Yes, I'm back in LA. And I brought my friend. Where did he go? Who's he? Oh! Where's he at? This man, I met in Santa Barbara a month ago. Now we're rolling together.
Good times, Brian.
No! For that one. For not a week, not 10 days, but not tonight. This is also beautiful. For 1 year. For 1 year. We're rolling around the sun. That's how he told me. He went like this. I said, how long? He went like this.
That's an actual camera, Griff. That's not a phone.
And 1 year. You're amazing. And you know what? We can't
I blew out the camera on my flip phone. I blew it out.
And what a great example of non-reaction.
Do you know who this guy is? Or?
He said it's something Mars, but he's been out here a bit in the parking lot jamming. A couple of them.
I'm good. All right.
Yeah!
Central Venice down to the south end. Love it. Why not? Right?
It's Vinny Jammer.
Yes, sir. I like this.
Yeah.
I wish to only be a social luminary. I only wish to increase flow in all of you.